Hi, I am Mahmoud Alam. I want to present a presentation about my career path. As a food and beverage assistant in Hilton Hotel. Why I choose as a food and beverage assistant? Because I am studying in West London University in graduate certificate in hospitality management, and about this field in the graduate certificate in hospitality management, so I have to start something in this field. For this why I am choosing myself as a food and beverage assistant in Hilton Hotel. It's in Edgar Road. It's a huge hotel, 4-star hotel, and it's 1087 rooms. So if I make my career over there, maybe within short time, within 10 years, just I plan here, within 10 years, now I am an F&B assistant, within 10 years, I will be in regional manager of that hotel. So how I plan it? First I plan F&B assistant, then supervisor, then first supervisor, manager, general manager, regional manager. I have to pass all of these things in 10 years. And this is the next slide, like the contract type of the Hilton Hotel. What is the contract type? Because I have to know about the hotel and about their system. So what is the contract type in the Hilton Hotel? There are too many contract types, but I have to choose something for my future goal. So I'm a student, so I think part-time is the best for me, because part-time is a flexible work. Because I'm a student, so I'm studying, so in the part-time I can do work in the Hilton Hotel, and they have lots of facilities in the part-time stuff. Like they have cheapest room booking. Wherever I go in the world, in the Hilton Hotel, I can get the cheapest room. I can get the discount voucher as well. And service charge, training charge, holiday 15 days, sick leave, and Christmas voucher, lots of things. For this why I choose this thing as a motivation point why I am in the Hilton Hotel. And my next slide is now on recruitment strategy for a F&B assistant. How they get their staff or employee. In Hilton Hotel, first of all, they select their staff by the internet and collecting CV from various universities. They go to the university physically and they talk with the students. They're collecting the CVs and they take the CVs to send the CVs to their HR department, and the HR department check the CV, like they check the job description, whole application, and check the reference as well. After checking these things, when they get their appropriate person, they send their CV to the interview board, and interview board call the person who they like about their CV. And when they take the interview, they send their appropriate person to the next place, like the induction. And when they are going to the induction, they show their place of workplace, and they are giving their safety training, and after that they give the order of the uniform of that particular staff. And now the stage is learning and development strategy. Every employee needs some basic training when they enter any place. And in Hilton Hotel, they are a world-renowned place in the Hilton Hotel. So they are divided their training such different types. Like at first day, they are giving their staffs or new employee 4 hours induction. And next, later on, they give 20 hours customer service training. It's maybe 4 days or 5 days. And they are showing at that time some kind of customer service and lots of training as well. And after that, they give their staffs 3 months overall training. And what they got after this training, their staff or their employee, after this training, they will get software training, security training, team building training, health and safety training, and all these things, the development, their staff or their employee. And my next slide is now performance management strategy. When anybody is stable in the Hilton Hotel, He now knows everything or she knows everything about the hotel job, what he or she has to do. After that, the induction, they are sent to be doing their job place. So, their manager or supervisor will give them some particular job in this place. So, when they get the job, they did the job very well, and their supervisor or manager will observe the job. If they got the job is doing well, so they got a praise for the performance. After that, they will get a new job. This is the performance management strategy. And my next slide is change management strategy. What is the change management strategy? Sometimes in the workplace need to be some change. Like in my F&B, as I am working as a F&B assistant, it's a food place, food and beverage place. So sometimes some promotion is coming. So the higher department, they take a decision with the manager and they make a plan. They communicate with the manager and they make a plan. The what's coming on, what's the price, and when it is coming on, and how it will go. They make a plan. And they told their manager, go to your workplace and publish it. Communicate with your staff. Then they come to the workplace, the manager, they communicate with their supervisor and all over the staff. This is going to be happening after 2 weeks or 1 month, because these things are, the meeting going to be happen before 1 month or 2 weeks before. And they reiterate these things. Like in here, they reiterate these things, they are telling all the time, this is going to be happen after 2 weeks or after 1 month. So after 1 month, the hotel get a goal or they are launching the promotion. And now this slide is about policies and procedures. There are lots of policies and procedures because it's a 4-star hotel, so they have to maintain lots of things. So what the policies they are maintaining, like disciplinary, grievance, benefit plans, pay and reward, overtime, health and safety, drug-free workspace, sick leave, maternity and paternity, transfer, and employee meal. Here, overtime, maybe they need sometimes their staffs to work sometimes some hours more. So that's the policy. And drug-free workspace, what is drug-free workspace? Drug-free workspace, nobody can take drug during their work time. And transfer, what is transfer? Transfer, they can send their staffs to other hotel anytime in order. That's the transfer. This is all of the policies and procedures in the Hilton Hotel. And my next slide is exit strategy from Hilton Hotel. If anybody wants to leave the job, what he has to do? First, he will contact with the manager and he will tell you want to resign. And it is obviously 2 weeks or 1 month before he has to tell his manager then he wants to leave this company. And his manager then select a day and for a meeting why he wants to leave this company. Maybe it's 2 weeks or 1 week before end of the notice period. They are joining a meeting and they are talking each other why he wants to leave this company. And then when he leaves the company, after 6 months, the manager again will contact why he leaves the company for the perfect reason, because maybe in the company when he wasn't there, he will not tell everything perfectly. So after 6 months, he will get the appropriate result why this staff leave the company. And some company arrange the alumni Christmas party in December. All of this slide are performed in my next 10 years. I'm expecting. Thank you everybody for with me in this presentation time. Thank you.